Technology has become such a huge part of teaching and learning. Part of digital literacy is being information literate, and I'm going to talk about what that means for students in our classrooms. Today, students have way more access to information than they did 20 or even 5 years ago. For this reason, information literacy has become extremely important, and the onus falls on us as secondary school teachers. My argument and strong belief is that students must be taught the critical thinking skills of analyzing, evaluating, and validating the different types of information and perspective they might come across online. Many adults in the 21st century have failed to develop these digital literacy skills. In an interview on CBS, Nicholas Carr states his worry that people let their devices and social media determine what they care about, what they pay attention to, and how they think about things. If we continue with business as usual, he says, we run the risk of walking off the cliff of civilization while staring at our phones. As a future PHE teacher, I know I'll have to teach elements of digital literacy to my students. One competency in the BC curriculum for physical and health education is to analyze the potential effects of social influences on health. This includes social media and other online influences. The class could participate in an activity like this, where they analyze a couple of social media posts, YouTube videos, and online health and fitness articles. We could discuss some of these questions. Activities like this will help students develop and use their digital discernment, and it will also bring awareness to the danger of passive digital consumption. Critical thinking and discernment are important skills that can be taught and developed in any subject. But part of developing digital literacy is bringing these critical thinking skills into the sphere of technology and media. We need to help our students develop strategies for critical thinking and discernment online so that they can do it on their own.